What we've got to remember is to use that 90-degree roll in the direction of whichever view we're trying to create, and whatever you see looking straight down from the top is what you're going to draw. The result of this, as you can see, is that each respective feature on the front view lies on the opposite side on each projected view. So the cylinder on the right, the drawing of that facing you lies on the left, the hole at the top lies on the bottom. Okay, so moving on to third angle, again we're going to use that exact same front view, and using that cardboard box thought pattern I explained in the last video, you can quite easily see that what we're going to do is we're going to pull out the nearest side to the view we want to create by 90 degrees until it faces us, and again just from the top down, looking down, what do we see? That's what we draw. Now what you'll notice from this method is that the features on the front view actually lie in the projected view that's on the same side as it is on the front view. So the cylinder on the right there is in the right hand projected view, and the hole at the top is in the top projected view. Okay, so once again I'll end this on a comparison so that you can kind of decide